This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the right parts and preparing the signal path. Lay out an audio amp, op amp, 10K pot, 100 micro F-cap, and resistors on a breadboard. Once done, wire a common ground and connect input to your planned filter node. This prevents noise. Make sure power rails match component ratings so you don't fry anything. Connect the pot to the output stage, but don't finalize soldering. This gives you flexibility to adjust values and observe behavior early. Next, you design and build the base control network. Start with a low-pass RC or active filter tuned to 100 to 200 Hz so only bass is affected. This focuses the control. Then set amplifier gain with feedback resistors so the signal has headroom and doesn't clip when you boost bass. Once wired, probe the node with an oscilloscope or AC-coupled meter to confirm the cutoff and gain. If response is off, tweak resistor or cap values until the curve matches your target. To finish, secure the circuit in an enclosure and use short ground returns plus shielded input cables to minimize hum. Calibrate the pot by marking 0, midpoint, and maximum. Play real music and adjust so boost feels natural without distortion. Once done, perform a full volume test at typical listening levels. If you encounter distortion or unexpected noise, recheck ground wiring, add 0. 1 micro F decoupling caps across supply rails, and confirm component orientation. These fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.